Hey guys, Harsh here, back in the video. So I got a package from China and there is a little bit of evidence that is from China because only Chinese will send these type of packages with your online stuff in it. So today I have the wireless earphones, the i9 TWS earphones. So let me just cut open the box. So let me just open the box or the package, whatever you like to call it, and these are pretty long and this is that he gave me. So let's see what's inside. So there's not much to go with, so let me just throw away the package. So up here is a charging cable for it and it is a lightning connector, surprisingly, as you can see. Yep, it is showing. And here's the instruction manual. Now the instruction manual is not that great. I mean, they do not give pretty good indication. And then here is the main earphones. So it has a little tape around it, so let me just peel it. So here's the box itself. It has a metal hinge to it, and back here is a button for the charging and turning it off. At the bottom you can see that there is a charging port for the charging of the case and the earphones. So the lid has a magnetic so that it has a pretty satisfying lock to it, and the earphones also are held by some magnets so they will not fall off easily. So as you can see, let me just open it, and they will not fall from their respective positions. So let me take out the earphones and put this box aside. So here are the earphones. They very look similar to the first generation AirPods. I think they copied their style, but there are some holes missing over here. As you can see, there's only just one, and at the bottom you can see that there are point of contact on both earphones for the charging purposes. And up here again there is a little button for, I think, some function to skip the track or go to the next video or whatever. Now these earphones come with a Bluetooth version 5.0. They have a lithium ion battery inside them, 55 milliampere to be exact, and the standby time of the earphones is around 120 hours, and the charging time of the case or the earphones is 1 to 2 hours, and they can play songs or call someone with a battery backup of 2 to 3 hours, which is pretty nice for such a small earphones. Now to connect the earphones, I made a video on that, so if you want to go watch that video, you can go ahead and watch that. And if you don't want to because you are lazy, so let me show you how you can connect it. So all you have to do is press the button on the case once. That will light up the two LEDs on the earphones, that means they are charging, and then turn it off again, so the blue light on the case stops. Then you can just take out the earphones, and as you can see, they have already gone into the pairing mode, and the one is flashing blue and red right now. So let me take out my phone and then just connect them, which is pretty straightforward process. You just go to your Bluetooth settings and go to pair a new device, and then you will shortly see i9 TWS earphones. So they are connected with the 90% battery, so that's pretty generous of the Chinese men to send this charged with 90% battery, so thank you. So let's go outside and see some practical use of it. Now the sound quality of the earphone is pretty decent for a wireless earphone and for the price as well, and they fit pretty good on the ears, and if you are walking, jogging, and the earphones are pretty snug in the ear and they will not fall off unless you are going absolutely crazy. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, hope you like it, and if you want to buy these, and we are also doing a giveaway, so you must check our Instagram for further details and subscribe our channel for more awesome videos like this. So I will catch you on the next one.